Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Check C. Free space and note the percentage so you can track progress. Create a restore point and back up any critical files now, because once you delete system caches, recovery is harder. Once done, empty the recycle bin and run disk cleanup, selecting temporary files, system files, and previous Windows installations. This removes obvious bulk quickly. It's safe and fast. Make sure to uncheck anything you want to keep before confirming deletion. Now dig deeper. Uninstall unused apps through Settings or Control Panel to reclaim gigabytes. You should inspect installed apps by size and remove rarely used suites. Once done, enable Storage Sense or run a reputable cleaner to purge caches, log files, and browser temp data. This cleans fragments that disk cleanup misses. Next, move large personal folders like videos, downloads, and photos to another drive or cloud storage. This reduces C pressure without deleting your data. Pair these steps with a quick reboot to finalize change. Finish strong by checking integrity. Run chkdsk for disk errors and sfc to repair system files, because corrupted entries can waste space or block cleanup. If you use an HDD, defragment. For SSDs, run trim or optimize to maintain performance and accurate free space reporting. Once done, verify free space and adjust page file or system restore if necessary. If a file won't delete, boot into safe mode or use an unlocker tool to remove it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.